Aidain.
And apparently you have interest in the victim's missing footwear.
This is me. I love Fudgicles.
Now he's gonna make a mess because he's like,
Knock, knock.
Eat it.
he's dipping it in sweet and sour sauce.
If I find
Wrong end, sweetheart.
Turn it around.
No, no. Turn it around. We gotta turn it around. Ew. It's got rice in it.
He's a baby, he don't care. It all comes out the same bowl.
He eats chocolate rice.
I mean, come on, they have deep fried butter, Kayla.
Not in my bedroom. You're not gonna clean your hands.
She's on your bed.
Morgan, off the bed!
Kayla, are you recording?
Yes.
Don't yell.
Yeah, because I
Off
crack
the
videos. You don't need to like.